ever make. And see one of the smarter sitting come here now. Smarter than the phone itself, but it is a part of the phone, AI. AI. And them say in a 2030 or 2027, AI go take away whole heap of no job. AI go take away people content. When nobody now put up no content because the internet now go come like Facebook and YouTube and the world them go create them own content. So say all I want to make money on the app them like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. Wanna try put it to use. Try invest it and put it to you. Cause that time I go come. You think them want to pay out no money to no content creator? You know, see America TikTok a dry up like a dry piece by fire so cold water for they reach America. Them don't want to pay out the money, so them are going to come in with this AI business and the AI are going to work off an algorithm and what people say and come up with their own content and say, no, I get no pay. I don't think I lie, me I tell you. They think they want to pay out too much millions a year time. The AI when them bring in a come replace human. And it said, whole heap of call center, whole heap of this, I go work with them. With the AI business. Right now, AI depend here. Me have my YouTube, and now AI give me answer. So this yesterday somebody say, Aunty Donna, you call up a sovereign pavilion. And me just go on if you type up and say, I'm so sorry, my bad. And my bad, me say come up just 3 different answers. I am so sorry. My bad. And what the next one was? I never realized. All me have AI answer me, you know. Artificial intelligence. AI answer the question for me over Instagram. And AI answer. Yeah, all right. When my website, when people buy, the amount of email when me get on it, most of the email them, by the time I read it, AI don't scan through me the email them on the website, you know. I'm lay out the answer and me if you think which one I want to use, you know. You think that type me sit down and type out no message send back to you know? When they sit and read, AI answer back and give you all 2 different letters to send back. Reply. All you have to do is click on which one you want to use. So for sure it's a workplace, I go cut back on staff. When you call any farmer government place now, USCIS, the bank, who you think I talk to you? AI, you know? And normally a human being did have them the job there. So that's why the government, Andrew me here say it. So in 2020 sitting, AI go take people job. All you know in a bank, why don't know accounts? You sooner have no job because the AI check the money for you more than you can sit down and calculate. When you sit down and calculate 340 million minus 100, and the artificial intelligence are going to on the computer put in the answer. I don't know who developed this machine here. When you call anywhere now, the AI talk to you. What can I do? Put in the letter this, press that. AI answer for you, AI talk for you, AI type letter for you, and the companies them now are going to drop you the handyman because the artificial intelligence is there to place the work and do it faster and neater than you. My job can't use AI, maybe robots. I don't know. Why I know that I come for work? Yeah, type something on your phone before. If somebody message up on WhatsApp, this meta thing come up. Yeah, look for one name, you see it I tell you about. Can't find any match. And me don't know how you never ask meta nothing. You never see it on WhatsApp. I never tell you about your message encrypted, no secret. Me I look for all one name and you type in to say John Doe or Mary Doe. And when you look at a meta, I tell you, say, this no match or this or this. And so maybe job can't use AI, maybe robots. My job, them are coming with every little thing. When you got the machine will talk to you. AI in there, you know? When you got the bank machine, them know, AI talk to you through the machine. What do you tell you what trick me? When the place name, let me tell you when I just go to America, when me go see happen. When the place name at the gas station, we sell burger and chicken and chips. Where the place name? Well, the same thing name was, when you're in America, you got the gas station. What name? It have one double name. Wawa. Me go Wawa go turn up in a line now. And I say, can I see people them something I never know. So me go a Wawa now, go stand up in a line and I order Wawa or Wawa or what name. When we reach up the cashier say no, I show me the machine. Them not cash nothing in there, you better can't read or beg somebody do it for you. You have to go Wawa and go put in your own order and pay at the Wawa where me live. When you say, you know, when I eat a little sandwich or something, and you have to go order it yourself in a planka. All out your KFC soon and work and Burger King one go the one them if you put it in a pan. You don't need no cashier or foreign for cash you. You go put in it in your thing in a Wawa, and when you take a stack your receipt come and you wait for your something to come out. And only them over there serve you. Normally, how you see KFC out you have long line, them could soon bring it come to Jamaica. You have to go do your bill yourself, order where you want, and when did you know have Baba routes, have robots taking orders. Yeah, I may never know and turn up in the line. My daughter said, Mommy, why are you doing this so long? And I tell her, I say, I stand up, because I see people them stand up in front of me. I never know so them food them I wait for. I think I wait them, I wait for see the cashier come on. And when I call the girl in a red blouse, and I say, excuse me, I've been waiting right here so long to get cashed, and no one is coming here. No, we don't cash here. You go right there and you punch in what you want, you pay right there. Yeah. So you cash and punch in and pay. So for sure you say the world run by electronics. But in America, I mean not even have my phone Bangkok. Me see one car driver, no driver no in there. Me turn up and see the woman send for the car. Me there Burlington, me say Planka, do me frightened. Me I hear about the woman tell her car or Telsa, or what name? Telsa or Telsi. Take the Elon Musk car to come to her, and the car river. Me say God a come for him blows and so. Me say Planka, me there in the place, and we come out a bird and the rain fall, and the woman tell her car say if come, mighty God the car reverse, come go round because which party car did to come back out is a one way, and me stand up and hear the woman say, come for me, and I tell with her phone. And the car come round, come park up, and Planka shop if me I tell you now like God do me something tonight. Nobody know in the car and the woman car come when me I look so. The way my friend put it say, Mommy, this a go on long time now, where you there? The car come out of the rain at Burlington, at Davenport, me not tell you no lie. And the white woman bring around the car, nobody no in there. Nobody no in the car, no driver no in there. The car drive itself. Come right to Burlington, do where the woman park up with her something, turn up with her something, and the rain a fall, and the car come stop, and the car door open, and the woman go in there. When she go in there, she go around the driver's seat. The car drive out. Me never see this yet. Me say me no know, when me just go up a foreign, me see it, I frighten. I said, no, God a come for him world. The car drive come to the woman. Nobody Planka shop, no believe me. Me I tell you no lie. Nobody no in the car. No driver, nothing at all. And the woman tell the car to come. And when the car back